Support technicians are constantly on the go, whether you're going to someone's desk to help them with a problem, or whether you're going over to a server room to swap out gear, or whether you got to de-rack a router and swap out fans. Whatever you have to do, you're constantly going to be moving. And it's not always convenient to go ahead and sit down at a computer and log in and check on your tickets. But if you want, you can always use the SolarWinds Service Desk app. So let me show you what that's like. I'm going to go ahead and launch it and then log in. If you're a technician in Service Desk, then you'll be defaulted to the incident screen where it shows every single incident. But maybe I don't want to see all incidents. Maybe I just want to see active incidents. So you can go ahead and hit the filter icon and then select all active incidents, and it's immediately filtered. There you go. Now we have a new hire for John Doe. We have the incident details. That's the name, the title, their start date, where they are, and what employee type they are. From here, you can add additional comments if necessary. So if you wanted to go ahead and say, hey, this start date shifted, you can go ahead and type in, and the start date has moved out. And then just click at the top to submit. You have the standard incident information, plus any details, any processes that take place, and any related incidents, solutions, problems, or changes. From the main screen, you can select the menu option in the top left. If I want to look at the service catalogs available, I can just tap on that. So maybe the reason I'm using the mobile app is because I'm having a problem with my laptop and I need to replace it. So I can use the service requests, go to new laptop request, fill out all the appropriate information, like the type of laptop, the size I want, and whether or not it's a touchscreen. Then I can also request additional applications. So in this case, I need Office and WebEx, and that's everything. Let's go ahead and request it. Boom, done. And that's really all there is to it. I have gone ahead and looked at existing incidents, made some update notes, and then I put in my own incident because I needed a new laptop. And it really is just that simple with the mobile app. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you can go ahead and get the request you need through SolarWinds Service Desk.